here's how to easily unlock your brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max.
As you can see, it's currently locked, and if I try to swipe up, it will not let me in without my Face ID. Now, you can log in with a Face ID if you currently do not have one. I'll show you how. Or you can log in with your passcode. Currently mine has a passcode, so you just want to enter in this passcode, and once you've entered in the passcode, you can actually you'll be logged into your phone. As you can see, I have unlocked my phone right here, and if you want to change your passcode or your Face ID, scroll down to settings, click on Face ID and passcode, enter in your current passcode like so. You actually have to enter it in, you can't use a Face ID, and then from here, you just want to scroll down to the option that is called Change Passcode, where from here, you can click on the Change Passcode option right here in the bottom, and it will actually change the passcode on your phone once you enter in your current passcode, and you can basically enter in your new passcode, whatever you want it to be, right here, and that's how you unlock your new iPhone 16 Pro, and even change the passcode. Bonus tip. Woo!